Welcome to another session of the AT Library tutorial series. This tutorial is just going to be basic. That is how you are going to use ChatGPT to simplify so many things so that you'll be able to consume it and prepare yourself very well for examination. You realize that sometimes when we have a particular book that we are going through or we are reading, it looks like it's much more abstract, so we don't understand. Let me quickly take you through some demonstration for you to understand what I really mean. Okay, so let's do something. So let's say you are reading this particular book that is basically on the electronic business. This book talks more about Amazon, eBay, and other companies that solely deal with electronic commerce, or they are into e-business. But it's like, let's say you've not tried any of these or you've not patronized from these companies, you've not dealt with, let's say, anything like eBay, you've not shopped from Amazon. Actually, you are not into electronic commerce, but you are supposed to prepare for electronic commerce class. And you are supposed to also sit for an examination for e-commerce. But let's say you are going through these things. So these are some things that you are supposed to consider when it comes to business models. And you are reading something around competitive environment, and it's like this thing looks very abstract. Yes, because let's say you really don't get the understanding. Instead of you doing what we normally term in the Ghanaian language as chew and pour, meaning you have to consume everything as it is, you go to the exam hall and you just give it out as it is. It's quite difficult, because if you miss any word, it means like when you get to the examination hall and a question is asked and you want to write something about competitive environment, you find it very difficult to produce. Now, ChatGPT can help you. There's no need for you to master everything that is here. Well, you will need some keywords, but we can help. We can use ChatGPT actually to help us to get a concept of what we have over here. How do we use ChatGPT to achieve that? Now, this section is talking about competitive environments, and you want to understand it in its basic form. What you have to do is copy everything, then go to your ChatGPT. So this is what I have. This is my ChatGPT now. Paste it over here. Then go ahead and type explain the above to a kid. Okay, so this is actually marvelous. In fact, you are going to understand whatever is captured over here in its basic form. It gives you example. It means that you can even relate to it. You can even relate to it. So the moment you can just remember some of these example, which is given over here, and that is it, because it is broken down to its simplest form that anyone can just understand. Yes, so it's saying that there are other cases in your neighborhood who are into this and that. These other cases are your competitors. It explains what we internal competitors, and we also have external competitors. It breaks it down. So when you are able to go through this and you go into the examination hall and you are writing something in a competitive environment, just ask yourself, is it going to be difficult? No, it's not going to be difficult because you have the basic explanation over here. Okay. All right. So this is just a short tutorial for you how you can use ChatGPT to simplify some information in our various textbooks so that you'll be able to understand and consume it and prepare very well for your exams. Okay. All right. Thanks for watching this section of AT Library tutorial series. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality and good videos.